Today we got a 2006 Mitsubishi Eclipse. I'm going to be changing out the O2 sensor. It's bank 1 sensor 1, and I've got a 2.4 liter. Again, this is on a 2006 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Now this has got 4 oxygen sensors. Bank 1, sensor 1 is always going to be on the same side as cylinder 1. So I recommend you look up your engine size. And there should be plenty of diagrams out there that tell you your firing order and which side of your engine cylinder 1 is on. That'll be, if you're, in this case, cylinder 1 is on the left side looking at the front of the car. So I've got my bank 1 sensor 1 there before the catalytic converter. And I've got bank 1 sensor 2 after the catalytic converter. And then over here, of course, I got bank 2 sensor 1, and then below that bank 2 sensor 2. So I had a engine code pulled up, bank 1 sensor 1, so it's going to be 1 right here. Obviously my cylinder 1 is on this side of the engine, left side. I've got clips over here, wires up. Now this is going to be really tight. I highly recommend, I used a combination of Loctite freeze and release and liquid wrench. I had to use a combination, let it sit on a while, and eventually it did come loose with the help of renting this tool from AutoZone. It's a 22 millimeter socket set. You'll just need to provide the ratchet. And then of course you got your different attachments, and again 22 millimeter. Of course you're going to need your new oxygen sensor. You're going to want to make sure you put some high temp anti-seize on the threads. So I'll do that. But again, I've already had this broke loose, so I'm going to remove it. There's the old one. Again, now on this clip, normally you do stick a screwdriver in there and the two pop loose. In this case, you got to realize it's on this metal frame here, so you've got to push it back off this frame first. Then you can squeeze to pull them loose. But again, you've got to slide it off this. You've got to slide it off that metal bracket first. So make sure you're pushing it back off the bracket and then squeeze to pop the wiring harness loose. So then I'll just feed it through, pull it out. Again, I'll be lubricating that with the high temp anti-seize. I'll be threading it in, re-clip, re-secure it, and hopefully I'll be done. So I hope this helps you in case you were having trouble getting your wiring off there, and good luck.